When I think about the way we used to be, when I think...
Where am I? Is this high school?
Chloe, what do we do?
I have no idea, but don't make any sudden movements.
I can move. The spell must be broken.
Did he just say spell? As in supernatural stuff?
Well, we did just see a portal magically open up and then he appeared, so I think it is safe to say that, yeah, there is some supernatural stuff going on.
I feel so hungry.
Well, it's summer, so the cafeteria is closed. But I think I have a gummy bear in my pocket.
Oh, never mind. I ate it on the way here.
But there might be a vending machine around the corner with some Twinkies and honey buns. But I don't know how old they are. So...
I have a very particular diet. And Twinkies aren't on the menu. I can't believe you kept this from me, Jazz.
Damon, I am so sorry. I wanted to tell you. I thought about doing it so many times, but I just couldn't.
None of that matters now. We have to save Nick. Please, Jazz. Take me to him.
I can't.
What? Why?
It's V. She has him, and she's trying to make a spell to send him to another dimension.
We have to stop her.
You're probably too late. Besides, V is very powerful. You should just give up. Maybe Nigel could be your new brother.
What? Do you even hear yourself? I have to try. Nigel, you coming? Of course.
This is a disaster, an absolute nightmare. What's wrong, Caroline? Sabrina is driving me up a wall. She has the worst ideas and is completely oblivious to reality. I don't see how we can work together to finish this coffee shop. Oh, come on. She can't be that bad. I have never met a more difficult person in my life. But she's your sister, so you kinda gotta work this out.
Yeah, Summer and I don't always get along. Being siblings, it kind of comes with the territory. But at the end of the day, we're family and we work it out.
Sabrina and I are nothing like you two. We weren't even raised in the same household, not even the same continent for that matter. But do you want a better relationship with your sister? Yes? Then you're gonna have to figure it out. All relationships are work, sometimes hard work. You get out what you put in. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I'm in a very healthy, successful relationship with Nigel.
Yeah, after 10 years of completely ignoring his feelings for you. And then he dated your cousin.
At least he is real, unlike your mystery guy.
Oh, you did not go there.
Yeah, I went there. Okay, girls, I get your point. Sisters fight, then they make up. Right. Now go work out your problems with your sister. I can do this. Because if I can get along with you, I can get along with anybody. Ouch. But y'all have the only coffee shop in town, so you better work it out fast. Because you don't want to see me in the morning without my cocoa latte. Callie, I am so tired. I just want to change into my comfy clothes and fall asleep watching a Space Crafters marathon. Even though they haven't had a new movie since 2018, they take forever to put out a new story. I mean, seriously, who does that?
Yeah, I'm a little drained after all those fire lessons.
At least you had fire lessons.
Are you still upset that you don't have any powers?
Hey, I might still have powers. Maybe I'm just a late bloomer. Is that Jazz? Summer! Ugh,
What's happening here? Jazz, why are you crying?
Damon, why is she crying?
I haven't the slightest idea why she is crying. If anything, I should be the one crying because she's the reason my brother's gone missing.
I already said I was sorry. I feel so bad. But Damon putting all the blame on me isn't helping. And you wonder why I didn't say anything.
Who else should we blame for this?
Okay, everyone, just calm down. Nigel, what is going on?
Well, what happened was Jazz is the one that told V Hunter Damon, Nick, and I were vampires. Even though I am not, which led to my coma, and now Nick's disappearance. V's got him, and Jazz won't tell us where he is. So we came to y'all for some help.
Jazz, is this true? Yes, but I had no choice.
You always have a choice. You just chose wrong.
You don't know what kind of pressure I was under. V is very scary.
Look, Jazz, I know you didn't do this on purpose.
You're a good person, but we've got to make this right.
Take us to Damon's brother so we can fix this, okay?
Okay. He's in the old abandoned factory.
I know where that is. Let's go. Summer, this could be dangerous. Are you sure you want to go?
Damon's our friend. We have to help him.
Okay. Just please be careful. I couldn't bear losing you.
Aw, you're so mushy. Even when we're fighting a sorceress to save a vampire.
You know, Jazz, you should probably stop digging yourself into a hole before there's no one there to pull you out.
Oh, all right. We're here.
Nick, you in there?
Shh! What are you doing? Do you want to announce to the powerful sorceress that we're here so she can break out her wands and unicorn horns and beat us with them?
I'm trying to save Nick.
We all are. That's why we're here.
Jazz, walk inside like everything's normal and see if Nick is in there. No, we can't trust Jazz.
But V does. She's the only one who can walk in there without raising suspicion.
Fine. Looks like I'm outvoted. Jazz, you okay with this?
Yes. I think so. Okay. Here goes nothing. I don't see anyone.
What was that?
Oh, hi V. I didn't know you would be here.
Where else would I be?
You're right. It was a silly thing to say. Of course you would be here in your creepy lair with all your books and spells and stuff to rid the world of vampires. And I'm helping. All by myself, of course. Yep, definitely just me. And no one else. No one else is definitely not here behind that wall.
Oh no. She's panicking. I told you we could not trust her. Are you okay? You're acting stranger than usual.
Who, me? Oh no, I'm fine. Just fine. Super fine. In fact, I've never been more fine.
Is that right? Do you mind standing a little to your left?
What? Right here?
Perfect. Come out, wherever you are. I know you're here. Jazz is frozen. For now.
Oh no, Jazz!
Summer, no! If you don't reveal yourself, I will turn dear, sweet Jazz into dust.
That's it. I'm here, V.
Summer!
It's just me. Summer, remember me? We saved Nigel together. That one time you put him in a coma.
We cannot hide back here. While Summer is out there, I am going out there too. And do what? Become another person we have to rescue? Nigel, you are no match for V. Let me go. Remember, I'm the one with vampire strength and all.
While y'all sit over here talking, I'm going to go save my sister. You better back up, because it's about to get hot in here. Hold on a second. Why isn't this working?
Was that your superhero line? It was terrible.
Seriously, you're gonna try and criticize the person who's trying to save you?
I don't take kindly to trespassers, but I won't say no to more volunteers for my experiments. And here I am thinking you were only interested in vampires. Well, the more the merrier, I always say. Quite a party we have here. Where's Nick? Let him go, and we'll leave without making any trouble. Am I supposed to be intimidated? I've dealt with much scarier vampires than you. But you've never had to deal with me, Nigel.
Nigel!
Summer, stay behind me. Oh, come on. You're making this too easy. Like fish in a barrel. Jazz, I wish I could say I expected more from your friends, but I didn't. You won't get away with this. I already have. Empire ve eleporte! No! Well, that was the last vampire in town. Looks like my work here is done. Sorry your friends got caught up in all of this, but you know, I've got a job to do. And now, it's time to move on. It's been fun, Jazz. And don't you two worry. The spell will wear off in a few hours. Ta-ta for now!
To be continued on the next Sommer Cali.